Hi betting experts, on Wednesday the 26th of May. First of all, look back at our two bets at Musselburgh on Tuesday. We stay in Scotland on Wednesday, go to Hamilton. The ground at the moment, good to soft, good in places. Showers around though, it's still pretty unsettled before the promised heat wave arrives for the bank holiday weekend. We'll believe that when we see it. It's a competitive low grade card. We start off with our value angle selection in the 240. This is the hamiltonpark.co.uk Cadzow Castle handicap, a 6 furlong class 4 sprint for 3-year-olds and upwards, £4,347, and off to the winner. 9 runners. Quite a few of them look vulnerable to me from raised handicap marks, and I'm going to take a chance on Jim Goldie's Call Me Ginger. Now, this 5-year-old is hardly the most prolific winner. He's managed 1 win from 18 career starts, 3 places. He has slipped down the weights and does now feature on an attractive mark, and I very much like the fact that Kevin Stott, who's an excellent jockey, well worth following, has been booked for the ride. He wouldn't be the most usual booking for Jim Goldie. This one's down to a mark of 77 now. He's shown promise before with Cut in the Ground. I don't think his last 2 runs this season are as bad as the bare facts suggests, and he could be coming right. He's meeting rivals who mainly have been winning weak races and have gone up in the weights as a result, and maybe this is the time to catch Call Me Ginger. Another positive for me is that Jim Goldie's had 3 winners in the last 14 days. They're really hitting form, and this is definitely an easier race than the one he was beaten 4 1/4 lengths in under Paul Mulrennan last time out. For our nap of the day, we go to the opening 210. This is the EBF Restricted Maiden Stakes, a 5 furlong class 4 event for 2-year-olds only. £4,266 on offer to the winner. 8 runners, and this looks a really good chance for Kevin Ryan's Atomic Force to get off the mark at the second time of asking. Now, this one was a strong 11-8 favourite, but found the gatekeeper too strong at Musselburgh first time out. 53 days ago, travelling really strongly there and just wilting in the final 100 yards. Picked off, although it was a small field. I think the form's okay. I'm not worried about the absence since Kevin Ryan's got his horses in reasonable form. He's had a couple of winners in the last 14 days, and this one has got the scope to do a lot better with that initial run under his belt. Best of luck on Wednesday, betting experts.